Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we've got an exciting list for you, keychain gadgets that are both fun and functional. Let's dive right in. Number 8. The Mini Multi-Tool. This little gadget is a lifesaver. It packs several tools like a screwdriver, bottle opener, and even a mini knife, all in one compact design. Perfect for quick fixes on the go. The convenience of having a multi-tool in your pocket means you'll always be prepared, whether you're tightening a loose screw, opening a bottle, or cutting a piece of string. Plus, it's made from durable stainless steel, ensuring it can handle tough tasks.
Number 7. LED Flashlight. A keychain-sized LED flashlight is incredibly handy. A double click of the power button turns the light on, taking ultra-portable lighting to a new level with its rechargeable power system and enhanced lumens output. The integrated Xeon battery recharges via USB-C and runs continuously for up to 3 hours on low. Despite its mere to 0.4-inch frame, this little luminary shines its mini flood beam in 3 light modes: high, low and turbo, with a peak brightness of 380 lumens and a beam length of 73 m or 239 feet. Use spilt. Bring key ring to attach the light to any set of keys, a lanyard clip inside a travel blog or anywhere else to keep illumination at the ready. Whenever adventure takes you, constructed of ultra-tough composite with a stainless steel vessel. The KL20 meet IP54 specifications for water resistance and dust resistance and is backed by the Coast lifetime warranty.
Number 6. Smart Key Finder. Never lose your keys again with a smart key finder. Connect it to your phone, and you'll be able to track your keys using an app. Some even have a feature that makes your keys ring when you can't find them. These devices often come with a replaceable battery and can double as a phone finder if you lose your phone.
Number 5. Pocket Knife. A tiny pocket knife on your keychain can be very useful, whether you need to open a package, cut a loose thread, or perform minor tasks like peeling fruit. It's a practical tool to have handy. Modern designs ensure these knives are safe to carry, with locking mechanisms and ergonomic handles. Despite their small size, they're made from high-quality materials, ensuring they stay sharp and reliable. Number 4. USB Flash Drive. Keep important files with you at all times with a USB flash drive keychain. It's perfect for transferring files between computers or having backups of essential documents. With capacities ranging from a few gigabytes to several terabytes, these drives are incredibly versatile. Many are designed to be shock and water resistant, ensuring your data stays safe even in tough conditions. Number 3. Personal Alarm. Safety first. A personal alarm with LED light and Caribbean or clip. Grab attention with 130 decibels. Simply push the SOS button 2 times to trigger the alarm and be heard from up to 1,475 feet away. Features an LED light for help in dark situations. The Caribbean or clip makes for easy access. The premium finish makes it easy to hold the alarm securely, ensuring you can quickly and confidently activate the alarm when needed. Number 2. Compact Nail Clipper. A nail clipper keychain is perfect for keeping your nails in check. It's small, convenient, and ensures you never have to deal with a broken nail on the go. These clippers are designed to be durable and easy to use, often featuring a file for smoothing rough edges. Some even come with additional tools like scissors or tweezers, making them a complete grooming kit in a tiny package. Number 1. Bottle Opener. Always be ready to pop open a bottle with a keychain bottle opener. It's a classic gadget that's both simple and extremely useful for parties or gatherings. Made from sturdy materials like stainless steel or titanium, these openers are designed to last. Their compact size ensures they're always within reach, whether you're at a barbecue, camping trip, or just relaxing at home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.